Welcome to Declutter Day. Well, kind of. It's going to be some decluttering and some cleaning. I have been putting off decluttering my desk for a while now, and so I want to tackle that. But then I also have a hallway closet that needs some help and a kitchen cabinet that needs some help as well. So I'm going to try and get to all three of those. But before I do that, I do need to clean up here in the kitchen. We had homeschool community day today, and so we kind of left, and I left the kitchen a mess. My floors are terrible, and so I really need to tackle those things. If you may be able to tell through my voice but we've been feeling kind of bad lately. We kind of had just a sick week where we weren't able to do a whole lot. I was just keeping up with dishes and laundry, and that was it. And so I just feel like today is my first day feeling good, and I want to tackle some things. I hate having that feeling of just like not being able to do anything. So we're going to go ahead and get some things done today. I hope that it motivates you as well, and let's go ahead and get started. The kitchen is looking a lot better, and now I'm going to tackle the floors. Okay, so that was a super quick mop, but it still looks better than what it did. So I am good with that. I'm good with good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. So my house is feeling a lot better. And now I am going to try and declutter my desk. So I took off a bunch of the things on the top, but my drawers are just really bad. And I've been just like shoving things in for the past, I don't know, maybe 6 months or so. And so I really need to just go through it, take out things that don't belong, take out things that are just need to be trashed. And whatever needs to stay, I need to organize it in some way so that it's just more functional. So I'm going to work on that now. Okay, so like I said, the top is not too bad actually, but the drawers are so bad. Look at that mess. I have got to clean that out. And then I have these 3 drawers that, yeah, just have a bunch of stuff. So here is the before. And I mean, look at this, just like random flower pieces. And then down here, oh, these are my notebooks. And then I have some envelopes that need to be put together. This is my ink for my printer and glue, so that's not too bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and tackle all of this. So wish me luck. So I think I've got it all figured out how I want to arrange it in my desk, but the little containers always slip around in my desk drawer. And so I'm gonna put some of this Gorilla Glue sticky tack on the bottom of the containers, and hopefully that will help keep all of the items from moving every time I open up the drawer. So we're gonna try that now. Got 1 drawer down and 3 more to go, but so far that one is looking really good. Okay, so I finished my desk drawers. They're looking so much better. I love that I can open them up and know exactly what is inside each drawer. So that is so nice. And I took out so many things that I just don't need in here. A lot of them are either going in the garbage or just being put somewhere else. And then I also found this. This is my mug warmer, and I totally forgot about this. I didn't really use it during the summer. But this fall and winter, I know I'm gonna want it for my coffee and tea when I'm working. So I just plug that in and I turn this on here and it heats up this surface and I can put my coffee mug on there. Really, really nice little, extra to have here on my desk. Okay, so now that my desk is done, I'm going to go ahead and tackle the hall closet. I don't think I'm gonna get to the kitchen today. I'm kind of losing steam. I can start to feel like, I need a little break here. So I'm gonna tackle the hall closet. There's not a whole lot that needs to be redone in it. I did declutter it and organize it, I don't know, I think maybe like a year ago. maybe a little more than that. I will link the video where I redid it completely. And today, I just know that there's a few little things that are kind of out of place that I need to just take out of there. Some of it is garbage because it's just like things that we haven't used and I know we're not going to get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and go tackle that, and then that's going to be it for me today. Okay, so I condensed these, well, actually these 2 boxes down to these 2 bags, and I'm gonna put those with the craft supplies, so that'll help. And then all of this has to go. It's just old curriculum that we're not using and we're not gonna use ever again. So that is gonna take out a huge chunk of boxes that were in there. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in. And these are just some things that I had picked up for Thanksgiving, some Thanksgiving napkins, and then this is a tablecloth that you can color on. And so I'm gonna put these on the top shelf, and I think I'm gonna just use that top shelf to hold things that are just seasonal, things that I'm not gonna use all the time, but I need a space for. So I'm gonna put those up there. Okay, so the closet looks so much better. I'm super happy with it. It's going to be much more functional, not having to sort through all the extra things in there. But that is going to do it for me today. I didn't get to the kitchen cabinet decluttering, so I will save that for another video. If you love homemaking videos and just being encouraged about homemaking and decorating and cleaning and organizing and decluttering and all the things, then I hope that you will consider subscribing if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.